Hey everyone, happy Friday from Riley World. Today another package showed up here at my house and I want to share with you. But you have to come back after I do my Vlogmas Day 11 shout out. There, I did it, so let's go. Let's go. So welcome back to the video, you guys. And if you have not watched any of my Vlogmas videos before, this month I'm participating in Vlogmas, which is when content creators post a video during each day of the month of December. And for the next few days, I just want to focus on my teaching profession because after all, I am a teacher. So today's video will feature an unboxing of my Donors Choose project, which was recently funded. First of all, donorschoose is an educational teacher website which partners with corporations and individuals like yourselves who want to help students and teachers get supplies for their classes. Most funding opportunities take the form of matching offers in which qualifying projects are half off. And teachers create a project whether they're wanting books or materials for their classroom like art supplies or even a piece of technology like an iPad or one of those Surface things. Uh, and maybe at some point I'll post a video showing how to set up a Donors Choose project, especially if you're a teacher. And so right now, if you can, do me a favor. If you found value in what I've said so far, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You won't be disappointed. So let's get into this unboxing. Man, I'm going to describe what's in this box. So again, let's get to it. Okay, guys, I have a pretty heavy box here, and it's from, I forgot what I ordered, but let's go ahead and open it up. Let's see, I believe the name of my project has something to do with books and Play-Doh and some other manipulatives. And so this box came from, looks like it's an Amazon box. So we'll just get into it. I'll just talk about the things as I pull them out, okay? Oh, yes. So check it out. We have a book set by Carle. Carle is the one who writes who wrote The Very Hungry Caterpillar. And so I think these books right here are books that I'm going to send home because my students are between the ages of 3 and 5. I want them to have some books at home. Not to say that they probably don't, but yeah, this is just something from the classroom. These are wonderful books that the adults at home can read. And so it looks like it's just a box of these particular books here. So I have this one, this one. Alrighty, so it looks like I believe I ordered 8 of these Carle book sets, and so hopefully I will have an opportunity to send these home. I know that I ordered some Play-Doh so that the kids can manipulate things and make things. I can send home instructions to create maybe a sun or a caterpillar as we read these particular books. So they come hand in hand. And man, I'm looking forward to getting these into the hands of my parents and the students so that they can develop their literacy skills. And so, yeah, donorschoose is a way to go. I know there's another box that should be coming with the actual Play-Doh and some other manipulatives so the kids can count and be able to make connections with the different manipulatives. I think I ordered a set of blocks and plastic counting bears. And so, yeah, I'm really excited that the first part of my shipment has arrived, and I can't wait to get them into the hands of my parents so that they can share them with their sons. But yeah, that's it. That's the unboxing. I thought it was going to be a little bit more items, some more items in this particular box, but I guess we're waiting on UPS or somebody to FedEx to drop off the rest of the items. So there you have it. That's the unboxing of the world of Carle, these wonderful primary books. And so, yeah, do me a favor. If you have liked this video, go ahead and hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. And, you know, it's cool if you go ahead and ring that notification bell. That way you'll be notified whenever I post a video. Alrighty, so we'll come back tomorrow and maybe we'll talk about sound or lighting as it relates to our virtual teaching and learning setup in our homes. Alrighty, you guys take care and God bless. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.